Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate how to install WordPress on your subdomain at WHC.ca. So start by heading over to WHC and log into the client area. So use your account for logging in. Okay, once you're logged in, click on Services to get to the cPanel. Go to cPanel. And in the Popular Tools section at the top, there is an icon for the one-click apps installer. In here, we find the very first one, because it is the most popular, is the WordPress installer. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to run an install of WordPress. And I can see down here it actually has shown me how many installations we do have so far, and I've done this 2 times so far, so we have a couple down here, but where we just want to go is right here to install now. And here we are going to choose the latest version, so leave this right here. Here you want to put in your subdomain. For purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to choose a student who is not going to use there, so I'm going to use yannick.nmdatc. And I want to put this in a directory. This directory can't already exist because it is going to try and create it for you, and if it exists, it can overwrite it. So basically, just put in WordPress. That'll be the best idea. Then it is installing it in a subdirectory on your subdomain. You should have thought of some kind of content or what you're going to be making your site about. So put a title for your site here and a site description. That can be changed later. If you haven't thought of it, you can still change this later. But maybe Yannick was into gaming and he is going to do a site on gaming. And so get that in there. And as I said, you can change this later. Now, this is an important thing here to take note of. You want to definitely write this down. It generates a random password for your admin account. You need to know this to log into the back end of WordPress to manage it. So do write down the username, which is admin, and then write down your password and keep that for your records. Of course, I'm going to have to delete these and change them immediately afterwards as you're seeing that. Oh, definitely also change the email to your school address. The information about the site or any issues will be emailed to your address then, should you need that. Do not select any plugins at this point. We're going to have English. And again, down here, we want to have the email installation details sent to your school address, and then simply click Install. So this doesn't take too long, 3 to 4 minutes. There you have it. WordPress has been successfully installed at the subdomain that I indicated in a folder called WordPress. And so if I check my email now, I did, just receive all of the information related to that account. They're not showing me the passwords, no, and there also has been a new database created for you, which your WordPress installation will use, and it's showing you some of the usernames and so on. We can find out passwords by going into the back end of WHC's client service area. That's it. Check out your new sites. You can just follow the link. It will open up your new site to get into the back end. So there's the title I gave it in the description. To get into the back end, it's simply wp-admin and use the username and password that were created for you when you did the install. Hopefully this works. And there you go. You're into the back end. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you installed WordPress successfully.